making dirty noises in the bathroom to see how their boyfriends react.
I'm breaking the door now.
You know what on their sheets.
What? Shut up! Push.
What is going on?
I'm like, I can't move.
I just walked in and he said I can't move.
What?
So we're at Seb and Dion's house. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
We've been here 5 minutes and I've already done a cheating prank.
We've been here about 5 minutes and I walked in on these two doing I don't know what.
Let's do it again. You know what? Let's do it again.
Wait,
do what again?
So, get on your knees. I don't want to break you.
Well, just don't do it too hard.
Wait.
Everyone has to be quiet though, so we can hear the crack.
Too short.
Oh my god, are you okay?
So we're at Seb and Dion's house. Basically, we're all here to celebrate that. Well, Dion wrote a song. Not that we can play for you guys, but trust me, he wrote a song. We're here for that, but also to celebrate that me and Aunt bought our house.
So mainly because of the song, right?
Guys, yes, today's gonna be a vlog at their house. If y'all are excited for the vlog today, give it a big thumbs
Whoa,
up.
if you're excited, make sure you get on your knees.
And give it a big thumbs up.
Why have you got a thumb lying around?
Where's Dion?
Anyways, guys, so we'll catch up a little bit later. But before the video starts, do hit the notification bell, subscribe, and comment down below the notification squad shout out for a follow. If y'all do well, people will follow you.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, it's a bit later in the day now. Ant and I snuck up to Seb and Dion's office because if y'all thought today was a regular video, you are very mistaken. So basically guys, I saw couples on YouTube do the making dirty noises in the bathroom to see how their boyfriends react. So they have a bathroom downstairs where we're all hanging out right now. So
we're hanging out in the bathroom, that's right.
Yeah, correct. So at some point, I'm gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna go use the washroom. Then you like pretend to read your phone, be like, oh, I'm gonna go join him. And then when we're both in the bathroom, we're gonna make dirty noises and just see how they react. But we have to be pretty loud because they have to be able to hear us.
Okay,
like,
don't you worry. I've got vocals on me today. Look, I'm gonna demonstrate right now.
Okay. Shut up. I've been whispering for what, the last 10 minutes? Seriously. Anyways, guys, we'll see y'all downstairs when we're all chilling and stuff. And then we're gonna go in the bathroom and do you know what. Alright guys, it's a bit later in the day now. We're all chilling here.
Singing, waking up in the morning. Thinking about myself, just wish things would get better.
Oh my god. What are our plans for tonight, guys?
Drink some wine and go slide in some hills.
The snow is all melted, but we can, I mean, it'll probably sled more than last time we were there. Because last time we were at Seb and Dion's house, we went sledding. It wasn't a hill, it was a ditch, for one. And for two, our sleds didn't even slide down the ditch.
We really tried.
Yeah,
we
went to the point of getting a trash can and going in it.
So if you saw some weirdos and trash cans, that was us.
That was us. Anyways, guys, so we're all gonna hang out here and yeah, enjoy the night.
Woohoo! Let's have some wine!
Woo!
And maybe order pizza.
Yeah, maybe. Alright guys, so we're all looking back on old memories. So cute. Look, so this was a party called the Cancelled Party. So we all had to dress as people that got cancelled.
For my 19th birthday last year.
Yeah.
That was at the start.
No, you were 19. I thought you were turning 16.
Yeah. Like, kinda, but now I'm 19.
Oh, okay. So I don't know if y'all can see the picture, but I was Shane Dawson because he's got canceled. Who were you again?
I was Regina George.
Oh, okay.
And Dion was Christine from Selling Sunset.
Oh. Anyways, guys, yes, we're just reminiscing over old pictures. Oh my god. I don't remember this picture being taken.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I'm now in their bedroom. I really have to hurry this prank up because it's becoming sunset. Y'all can see like the kind of glow on my face. Anyways guys, yeah, so we're about to do this prank. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna text Ant to come into the bedroom. I thought the bathroom would be like a bit kind of weird. Not gonna lie, I thought it would hurt even more if we went in the bedroom. Like, it's their bedroom as well. So I don't know, I feel like they would be a bit more mad if it was in their bedroom. Also guys, I did set up a second camera outside their door so y'all can see like how they react. Ant, come upstairs in their bedroom. Trust me.
Okay.
Quickly, come. come. Alright, oh my god, be quiet.
Guys, let's do it in the bed first, yeah?
You're gross. And so our goal right now, I set the camera up in the hallway. So we just have to do really sexual noises really loudly, okay?
Where's the camera?
In the hallway, did you not see it?
No.
Alright guys, just ran out. Turn that camera on. 1, 2, 3. Action. Oh yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Oh yeah. Or maybe we should like lock the door. The door has a lock on it. I'm just gonna. Good thing we checked that because we wouldn't have locked it otherwise. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I hate this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna throw up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is making me uncomfortable.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh god.
Hello?
Oh my god, it's so big.
Shit.
Oh my god, it's so.
Hello.
Can you guys? Hello?
Oh yeah.
Hello?
Keep going.
Hello?
Oh my god, yeah. Keep going. Oh my god, we're almost there.
It's our room.
Yo, what are you
in our room?
doing? Oh, can you stop? Oh.
Oh, you know what on their sheets.
What? Shut up!
I just cleaned those sheets.
I love this. Oh my god.
Let's go for a second round.
Me right now. Yo, open up.
Yo, why are you in our room? Like
Stop doing it in your room.
you can do this somewhere else.
Let's go.
Stop. No, second round. Room.
Second round. Let's go.
Round.
Guys,
come in, please. Don't do that.
Oh my gosh, you're so big.
Oh my god, it's coming out.
Wait, I just shat on their bed.
Are you serious? Ew, that's disgusting. I'm gonna go.
Wait, Aunt, try to wipe the sheets with water.
I'm gonna lick it off, don't worry, babe. Yo!
Wait, Aunt,
You just
try
shat
to
on our
wipe the
bed.
sheets with
What
water.
are we supposed to do?
I don't know, come with you. Yo, I'm about to come in, I don't care.
Hello.
I'm about to come in, I don't care.
Yeah, you want us to,
Oh,
don't
wait,
you?
wait, they're here. Guys, we're not doing anything weird.
We just heard you, are you kidding me?
It's like the sound in this house travels very well.
No, but Aunt just got hurt, so I helped him up.
I don't care.
Guys, can you go ring 999? I've got a
It's
Can you unlock the door?
911.
You're in Canada, love.
You're an idiot. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. I'm just healing his wound.
I don't care. Yo, can y'all stop? No, honestly.
Wait. I'm just gonna call 69 real quick.
Don't call 69! Dion, can you help me out?
Oh, wait, I'm almost finished with his wound.
I'm breaking the door now.
Dion's legit breaking the door.
Wait, it's just a prank. It's just a prank.
Oh my god!
What are you doing?
Oh my god! Asshole! Are you kidding me?
Did you poop on our bed?
No, look how clean.
Oh my god.
Did you poop on our bed?
It smells like shit!
Oh, yeah, I did shit a little. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, this was the doing dirty noises in your bedroom. We did do a bit of the nasty. You're like, they did do the nasty in the bed. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry for doing a video in your room. I didn't really ask permission, but we did.
I didn't even know you were up here. I'm like, what's up?
Yeah, I just saw,
Sorry.
like, I just heard, like, Ant got a call, he's like,
Oh, okay. And he leaves, and then you guys disappeared.
I thought you were in the basement.
Yeah.
And then all we hear is,
Yeah.
Oh my
Like,
God.
if you guys want to do it in the basement, that's fine.
My,
We can do it in our bedroom.
I thought I would add to insult if I did it in your bed.
My boy.
Well, I guess you guys can say that Team Nick and Ant for this one. Comment down below if you're Team Nick and Ant or Seven Dion.
Team Sebastian!
What do we win?
We win a Tesla!
We lost our dignity in the process.
And we lost a lot of dignity. There's a lot of chaos going on, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. But the prank went successful, I think. Thumbs up for the prank.
Nice!
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, and like that, we are back home at our house. I'm not gonna lie, it is the next day and I'm a little bit hungover. So we had a lot of wine to celebrate that me and Aunt bought our house, and we're so excited to move in. But hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did enjoy and want to see some more videos with Seb and Dion, give the video a thumbs up and let us know down in the comments what video I should prank them with next. Also guys, if y'all want to follow for both me and Aunt, all you have to do is hit the bell, subscribe, and comment down below the notification squad channel. If y'all do all three of those things, me and Aunt are both gonna go follow you. Alright guys, that's all for the video today. We're gonna see you guys after some more on your video. Alright, bye.